Okay. Thank you. So some people are messaging me, or at least people who are message 80% of them have messaged me saying you have a DMAT account. Other few people are saying no, not yet. Okay, done and dusted. So let me go to the first basic thing. I hope you people already knows something about DMAT account and trading account, right? So DMAT account is just like a bank account. Trading account is where we buy and sell. How we have two eyes? We have two brokers in India, service broker and discount broker. First of all, before we start something investing, we should know which broker we need to invest on. So how many brokers we have? We have two types of brokers in India, service broker and trade service broker and discount broker. Discount broker started from the year 2010. So I just want to ask, anybody can name two discount broker name. You can unmute yourself and speak. Two, sir, discount broker. Discount broker. You people can just wait a minute. I'll allow participant to unmute themselves. Yeah, you can just say now. Two names. Swaminathan sir said as Zero. Please, while saying please, I request your name, please. That will be better, please. Yeah, your name and answer.
Sir, Swaminath here.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Zerodha, Sherkan.
Yes, sir. Swaminathan sir, Zerodha is a discount broker. Sherkan is a service broker. See, you give it's just like you give buy one and get one free. You told service broker also. Thank you. So one more. That's good, sir. Thank you so much. And one more service broker. Anybody can say? Yeah. Please carry on. Yeah.
Sir, Sagar sir, me sir, Santosh here.
Yes, Santosh.
Upstocks is there, 5 paisa is there, grow up is there, sir.
Excellent. By the way, I have some weakness. Okay, what is the weakness is I can't speak alone. I need to speak with the people. Then only my program will become a blockbuster. That's a one weakness. And another thing is I want you people to speak. Come what may, whether it's right or wrong, I need you to speak so that before end of the day, you have to make sure you earn something in market. Do you want in stock market? You want to make money or you want to make consistent money in stock market? Please choose one. You want to make money or you want to make consistent
money, sir.
Thank you so much. I request. See, my guru, I am blessed to have so many gurus in my life. My guru told me, I told sir, I want to make money in stock market. He told, Sagar, you can't make money if you have this kind of attitude. I was shocked. Sir, what is this? I am telling you, I want to make money. How come you are saying like I have a bad attitude? He told, you have to say you have to make consistent money. So consistency is important. So the same way, thank you so much. Everybody now have to message you in the chat box. I want to make consistent money. Let me see, I'll read out your name. You people have to message, I want to make consistent money. Okay, start. Shivram Krishnan has message, Pooja has message, Suchita has message, then okay, oh, Santosh has message, Bindu has message, Dr. Ramesh has message, Lakshmi Devi has message, Reshma, Liket, Bhavani, Dr. Oh my God, so nice. I'm so happy you people are so active. Thank you so much. Oh, want to make consistent money. Names are flying. Samir is messaged. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, by the way, I call everybody as superstars. So shall I call all the participants as superstars? Because I have a team for calling that. Why I call everybody as a superstars? And I prove that you people are superstars. Shall I prove it? See, we have eyes, we have ears, we are speaking, we have mouth, we have brain to understand, we have hands, we have legs, we have everything. Now tell me, we are superstars, right? There are so many people who don't have eyes. There are so many people who don't know how to hear. There are so many people unable to understand. We are so lucky. So can I say that everybody here are superstars? Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have proved it. Do you agree that you people are superstars?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. So I will be addressing you people. Thank you. I'll be addressing you as superstars. Okay. Thank you so much. So thank you so much. All the superstars, I'm so happy that you people are interactive. So with this, what I want is I want you people to remember this webinar, not for one day. I don't want you people to remember for 1 week, not for 1 year. I work with decades. 2031, you have to message the college department, the coordinating department, that 2021, you had called one person called Sagar. He had spoken so many things. And by 10 years now, we have made some money. When you say you have made money, this program feedback is worth. Otherwise, it's a crap. Do you agree with me? If you don't make money out of this program, it's of no use. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you,
Yes, Sagar.
Yes.
sorry to
Yes,
say
sir.
it. So,
Yes, sir.
M for
Yes,
M.
strongly agree with you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes,
M,
sir.
M for money or marks. So for next 2 hours, we'll keep M for money or
Strongly agree
marks.
with you, sir.
Sir, we'll keep M for money or marks for next 2
If there is
hours.
a market, then only there will be money, sir.
So thank you. We'll keep for money for next 2 hours. But another my guru had told me, sir, because we deal in money, right? Letter M in a dictionary has 2 meanings. One is mother and one is money. Mother will create relationship, money will break relationship. So we are in a profession where it's too much of money, right? So we have to keep sure like we keep our heads under humbleness. Otherwise it will be very tough. So thank you so much. I think I've conveyed everything, how my thought process works, because if you understand how my thought process works for first 5 minutes, you will be able to interact and then we can go forward with a good learning. Suchita madam, I said, please give good plan. Definitely madam. And I'll prove that everybody knows stock market. My job is to ask only beautiful question. You will tell me the answer. Don't think I'm going to tell the answers today. You are going to give me the answer. What's my job is ask a beautiful questions. So let me start the beautiful questions. All the superstars.
Yes,
Shall I?
sir.
Thank you so much. So I had already one question. The service broker and discount broker. So how many kinds of brokers are there?
Two types, sir. Actually, service broker as well as discount broker.
Okay. Discount broker, already so many names you people have said. Zerodha, Upstocks, Grow. Now, service broker. Let's come to the service broker. How many fingers I have here? How many fingers?
5.
5.
5. So one is, we'll go to Motilal Oswal, Angel Broking, Sharekhan, all your banks, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank, all are service brokers. Means, ICICI Securities. Perfect. So what am I going to say now is, there is a difference between a service broker and a discount broker. Discount broker gives you platform. You have to trade on yourself. Service broker will give you knowledge. He will give you what to buy. He'll give you service. So he will charge more. Done and dusted. I'm not going to speak anything more on that. So you people understood. If you know, I can give like this. If I know how to drive a car, I will drive my own car. Or if I don't know to drive, what I should do, superstar?
Sir, I'm having a small doubt.
Yeah. You have a small doubt. Ask me.
DP and service broker are one and the same, sir?
No. DP is different. Depository participant is different. Service broker is different.
So
Now I
DP
was
can
asking.
be
Yeah,
DP
DP
can
can
be
be-
called as discount
So
broker.
CDSL, that is.
No.
DP is nothing but a CDSL, right, sir? Sagar, sir?
Yes. The DP are two types: CDSL and NSDL.
N-
They are the
NSDL.
NSDL and CDSL. There are two depositories. Okay, NSDL and CDSL. So that is our thing. Now I was asking some question. If I don't know to drive a car, what I should do?
Learn.
One is learn or hire the best driver. Yes or no?
Yes.
Perfect. Now I don't know how many people are already in the market making money. So we'll go directly jump into the market because I want to know the crowd, because it's a digital medium. I should not be saying something which you don't understand. Can I assume that 60 to 70% of the crowd here knows about market, or should I start from the basic for 10 minutes? You say, I will continue. How do you want? You want me to start from the basic 10 minutes, or can I
Yes,
jump
sir.
into the market?
No, sir. Yes. Basic we want,
It
sir.
will be fine, sir. If you start with the basic, because I'm from chemistry.
Okay.
So I would like to know the basics.
Okay, so thank you so much, sir. Like one more poll. Few more answers I require. How many of you say basic? As few people told already. How many of you want basics? Please answer.
Sir,
Please,
here
please.
Anand, I want basic, sir, because I am
Okay.
from
Sir.
different team.
Okay.
Basic.
Sir, here, Harsha, I want basic.
Okay, fine. Done. Next 5 minutes is for basics. Okay. So 10 minutes. Give me 10 minutes. We'll jump into the ocean. Anyways, my name is Sagar. So we'll go. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You people are messaging. I'm so happy you people are messaging. Thank you so much. Now tell me why we are here. There are 3 beautiful letters in English. Can anybody tell me 3 beautiful letters in English? Fast. I want fast. 3 beautiful letters in English.
Learning, sir. Learning.
Gain knowledge.
K for knowledge. K, then another letter.
Attitude.
No.
A. Okay. I want 3 letters, not words. Letters. K, A, then. Who wanna say 3
E.
letters?
Yes.
S. Skill.
Skill. No. I want letters, not words. Three
I,
letters.
I, sir.
L,
I,
L, learning.
E.
Okay, done. Okay, according to me, the three powerful letters in English dictionary is Y. W-H-Y. Y. W-H-Y.
why?
Now, I will ask you the question. Why are you people attending this webinar? Anybody can answer. Why are you attending?
Get
To
knowledge.
gain
knowledge.
To gain the knowledge of
Market,
the
start
In order to
And
enhance our
skills.
basic knowledge.
Okay.
For earning knowledge and money.
Thank you. Thank you so much. All answers are correct. Now, but I had connect the dot as Steve Jobs says. Few minutes back, I told to make consistent money. So let's have a clarity. We'll have a clarity. Though we may have vision, we may not have a clarity. So the basic thing is we will make sure we learn. But learning is a first step. But if you don't implement, what's the use? If you keep on learning, it's of no use if you don't implement. And you people are all well-versed professors. I'm no one to teach you anything because I don't know anything. Three beautiful letters I told, W-H-Y, Y. And three beautiful words according to me is I don't know. So I seriously don't know how much you people know. I know only on stock market and still I'm a student. So don't feel bad like if I say something here and there. So three beautiful words according to me is I don't know. So what little I know, I will share for next 1 hour, but request you will remember this session for 1 decade. That's my challenge. That's my challenge. Before you wind up for the session, you will remember me. With that, shall we jump in? Shall we jump in?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many eyes I have here? How many eyes? How many eyes?
Two.
Two eyes.
You have to be like this, very interactive, okay? And be fast. 2 eyes. There are 2 premier stock exchanges in India, NSE and BSE. How many exchanges we have?
Two.
NSE and
BSE.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
National Stock Exchange
And
And Bombay
Bombay
Stock
Stock Exchange.
1 marks, paka. Now next question. Now you will ask me. What is NSE and what is BSE? What is NSE and what is BSE? What's the
NSE
difference?
NSE consists of 50 stocks and BSE consists of 30 stocks, sir. So
Excellent.
BSE will call Sensex, NSE will call Nifty, sir.
Excellent.
NSE is a public sector, sir. BSE is a private sector, sir.
No. Okay, we will not go into jump into that. Okay, anyways, you people are answering. You keep answering. That's not an issue. But I'll go back now. Like you people know Amazon and Flipkart, right? You know Amazon and Flipkart, right?
Yes, sir.
The same way, NSE and BSE is a platform where you can buy and sell shares. Everybody understood? Please unmute somebody. I request all the superstars here. I know we have unmuted everybody. Some people in your background, make sure there is no noise. Thank you so much. Don't feel bad, but because it will be a noise here. Thank you so much. When you're answering, unmute, speak, and again mute it. Thank you. So 2 platforms are there. Which are the 2 platforms? NSE and BSE. If you do only 2 things in stock market: buy and sell. You buy at 100, sell at 150. What do you make, superstars?
50 rupees income.
Profit of 50 rupees.
Excellent. Now I want you people to answer. Okay, you buy at 100, sell at 50. What do you do?
We are selling that one. We are selling the yes, sir. 50 rupees loss, right?
It is short selling, no, sir.
No. I'm just asking. Like if you have bought
No,
at
sir,
100,
loss of
you have
50 rupees.
perfect. So let's go to the first definition of stock market. Stock market is a probability. And I'm not going to teach any definition because you people are well versed in that. So what is probability is it may happen, may not happen. Do you agree? All the superstars agree?
Yes, sir. Theory of chance. Correct, sir.
Correct. So in stock market, we have only 2 outcomes. Which are the 2 outcomes, superstars?
Either profit or loss, sir.
Profit or loss. Now tell me, do you want to attend this session for next 1.5 hours to make profit or to make loss?
Profit, sir.
Ultimately to make profit.
Excellent. So we have everybody in this webinar as a clarity to make profit. Now I want you people, because even I have the book, even I have the pen. I want you people to make a note. Start making a note. Whenever you get a learning point, if you think, please make a note, just a word. Okay. So we are here to make profit. How many platforms are there?
2, sir. NSE and BSE.
Excellent. Now, all the superstars, I want to ask another small question. If I want to vote, what is the first requirement I should have? If I want to vote, what is the first requirement I should have?
You should
18 years of age.
First 18 years of age. Then after 18, what I should have? Pallavi has message. Voter ID.
Voter ID.
Like that. You should have a license. Yeah.
PAN card, sir.
Yeah, now the request is I want, I think some people are speaking. Please make sure you mute yourself and speak. Thank you so much. Okay, the just how we have voter ID to vote in stock market, the same way, if I want to start the business of stock market, I should have 5 fingers: PAN card, Aadhaar card, PAN card, Aadhaar card, bank statement, photo. If you have these 4 and if you have a willingness to open account, your account will be done in 24 hours. Welcome to digital India. Today we are in that speed. 10 years back, it was taking 5 days to open an account. Today, 1 day, 24 hours. If you have this, soft copies, if you have PAN card, Aadhaar, bank statement, check leaf, or photo, if you have, you can open your DMAT. Done and dusted. Now let's learn in a movie format. Shall we learn in a movie format?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay, now introduction is over. We have a clarity why we are attending webinar: to make money, to make profit. To make profit, we do only 2 things: buy and sell. To buy and sell, we should have DMAT account. That also you came to know. To have DMAT account, all the superstar, how many brokers are there?
2 types, sir. Discount as well as service.
Okay, now should I make you people dependent thinker or should I make you independent thinker?
Independent.
Independent.
Thank you. So you people, the whole program, your job is to ask me question. If I make you dependent, then it is of no use. You have to be an independent broker. So please don't ask me this question. Sir, where should I open DMAT account with a discount broker or a service broker? The answer is simple. If you know market, you open with a discount broker. If you don't know how to analyze market, open with service broker. No, sir, I don't know anything. What should I do? Don't open DMAT account. Simple. It's clear, because end of the day, it's involved money. And the worst part is 95% of the people, the data shares, nobody makes money in the market. And be so happy, superstars, all the superstars, be happy that 95% of the people don't make money, because there comes a superstar mindset. 95% of the people are losing, 5% of the people are making money. This 5% of the people are making 95% of the people's money. Now tell me, do you want to be in this camp, 95% camp, or you want to be in this camp, 5% camp?
5%.
How many of you say 5% camp? 5% camp, right? That's
I
honest
say
answer.
5%. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Now, to make that 5% camp, we have to thank Government First Grade College Vijayanagar and Dr. Mohan sir, principal sir, HOD madam, all the staff who are giving this opportunity for 5 days. Now, your job to ask question. If you don't ask question, I think the time will be wasted and it will be another webinar. So, will you ask me all the questions? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Done.
Definitely.
So we have opened account now. Now you will ask me, what is the next logical question you ask? What is the next logical question is, sir, how much should I start making investment? Correct, huh? Which how much I should start investment? Yes or no? All the superstars. You have that question, right?
Yes,
how much,
sir.
sir?
Yes,
How
sir.
much is the
Yes.
how much is the money I require to open? So I want some people to answer. How many of you already have DMAT and are investing? Answer me. How much you have invested? Something like that. No problem.
Yes, sir. I do have.
You do have. Okay. So
Yes.
how much, sir? How much you have invested from how long?
I started with 15,000, sir, initially in
Okay.
2018.
Okay.
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 Then I started with the long term first.
Okay.
Then after learning some little bit of intraday, I started with the intraday.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. And Ananda has message like they have invested 1 lakh. Samir says with 8,000. So people have but not invested. I have account but not invested. Arsha says. So the first question what everybody asks is, how much should I start investing? Yes or no? So always, do you want the greatest secret in stock market? All the superstars, you want the secret to be conveyed now? Do you want me to say the secret?
Yes, sir.
It's a secret. I'll say slowly. Okay, try if you can understand. Trade less, trade less, trade less. What is the secret? What is the secret, superstars? You have to say slowly. It's secret. Nobody should hear. What do you have to? You have to trade from how much? Less or more?
Less, sir.
Yes, excellent. So everybody, please make the first golden mantra of stock market: trade less, trade less, trade less. Do you want to make a one-time money or a consistent money?
Consistent money, sir.
If you want to make consistent money, we have to trade less. But I'll tell you how the psychology, being in the market for last 13 years, and sorry, it will be too much of build up if I say about more of my profile. So I don't want to say. I've been to each and every districts of Karnataka on Saturday, Sunday, weekends, been interacting with people. Somebody is speaking. I request somebody to please. I request somebody to please mute yourself. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. I've been interacting with the people, with the investor community. Everybody, what they do is they will start with stock market with huge money, because see, the outside world is commercial. We can't tell. You can't go to a like if you go for shopping for one any clothes, if you want to buy, you go, the salesman will not say like, sir, take only 2,000 rupees, sir. Don't buy worth around 20,000 or 30,000. They will say, take 2,000 or 3,000. Will they make you to take more? How they will take? Message me. I think I think the college authorities have said like, please write your points in the chat box in order to avoid background noise. They have message, because yeah, that happens, like few people. Okay, no problem. So somebody says they'll say take the highest turnover, right? So what I request you is, in stock market, you have to start with trade less. Like lesser the money, more you can make, you can sustain in the stock market. Sustainability is very, very important. Sustainability. If you don't have sustainability, I think we cannot crack the profession. The next part, why you should trade less is, when you make more investment, the risk are more. When you start with a less investment, the risk is less. So they always say the golden concept of stock market, risk reward. Yes or no? Yes or no? Less risk. How many of you say risk reward is the ultimate concept in finance, risk reward, and in life also? So they say we have to take less risk or more risk. There goes so many books will say, according to your age you have to take according to your financial status, something. All people have so many theories and what do you say, calculation for that. For me, the simple thing is, the risk reward we have to remember. If you see, I'm sitting in I think in my third floor of my apartment. Okay, if I jump from here to down, that is a foolish risk. If I jump for 2 feet, only for 2 feet, if I jump, that's a calculated risk. So we have to take a calculated risk. We should not take a foolish risk. When people, we don't know any profession, always it's better to start with less risk. The problem with less risk is, your friends, your neighbors, your colleagues will have put more money and they would be making more profit. Don't worry. Stock market, another definition. It's me versus me. It's not me versus you. Can somebody unmute and say, it will become very tough for me to speak alone. One person at least, one person. What is stock market? It's me versus me or me versus you? It's me versus me or me versus you. Otherwise, you can message me. I think it takes stuff to message. But anyways, it's me versus me. I think some people are messaging. Thank you so much. I think they don't want the background noise to happen. I think that's a part and parcel of life. We have to, the pandemic only we are adjusting. I think we can adjust with background noise also. That's what I feel. Okay, no problem. So it's me versus me. Stock market is me versus me. Now you have understood risk and return. There are two types of risk and return: calculated risk and foolish risk. Should we take calculated risk means you write CR. If you want foolish risk means you write FR. Anybody message in the chat box. You want to calculated risk? Everybody are messaging calculated risk. Very good. And people who are messaging so much, I will send you one gift. I will send to the college. Okay, they will send you. I'll give you some medal. Okay, because you are taking so much effort to type. Oh my God! In this world, people who are interactive is like, you people are great. I'm telling you. We are in a situation where we don't want to work hard. We want somebody to keep money in our pocket. We are such a lazy people. We have become so. And you people are messaging. I thank you so much. You people are messaging that. Thank you so much. We have to take a calculated risk. Now we have understood. You have to take a calculated risk. You have to trade less. And stock market is me versus me. Now you have entered to the stock market scenario. What is that? You buy shares, you buy equity. That is what the topic is. Equity systematic plan. Now I will not ask you what is equity because you people know it. If not, as so many people told me to say the basics also. Equity means ownership. Simple. All the superstars. Equity means what? Ownership. If you buy a share, you become owner of that company. That's all. Nothing else, nothing more. If you buy a equity shares, you become what? Owner. If you become owner, you get another two benefits, dividend and profit. What do you get? Dividend and profit. You buy at 100, sell at 150, what do you get? Profit, na? Dividend. See, if you go and invest in bank, you get interest. If you go and invest in shares, you get dividend. So what do we buy and sell? Shares. I'll ask you one more question. What do you buy and sell? You have to message equity. Write the short form, EQ. Let's be clear. Write it EQ. Thank you. Because if you are there with me, I can do. I told now my weakness. They say one of my favorite author, Nassim Nicholas Taleb says, what he says is, a fool will show his strength, hide his weakness. A wise is one who shows his weakness like a necklace. I'll repeat again. A fool will show his strength and hide its weakness. A wise will show his weakness and wear it like a necklace itself. So I'm telling my weakness. I can't speak alone. I want to be a very interactive session. But anyways, we are working around. Equity, we work with, we buy equity. Equity is a ownership. And in equity, we call it as stocks. Now, imagine you go to Big Bazaar. If you go to Big Bazaar, how many products will be there, superstars? There will be 1,000 to 1,500, 2,000 stocks, right? So many things will be there. Soap will be there. Paste will be there. So many products will be there in Big Bazaar. Do you agree with me? Yes or no? Why or no? Yes or no? In Big Bazaar. Right? Yes. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you, Santosh, Sushmita. Yeah, thank you. Like that, in stock market, we have only two products, equity and derivatives. Equity and derivatives. Today, I'm not going to speak on derivatives. I'll speak only on equity. So what is equity? You came to know it's a stock. Now you will ask me, sir, how many stocks are listed in NSE, BSE? That is your next logical question. Can I continue? You people are understanding? Yes or no? Yes or no? You people understanding, right? Can I continue? Okay. How many stocks are there? How many stocks are there? Okay. The stocks, like there are around 1,600 stocks are there. How many stocks are there, superstars? 1,600. How many stocks? Message me, message me. No, NSE 50. Total, I'm telling the universe of stock exchange. 1,600 companies are listed. 1,600. Thank you. You've been so kind. Sir, Mohan sir, I think the participants should get one extra certificate, sir, above that, because so much they are messaging. I haven't seen like this. People message so much.
They've been totally interactive.
Yeah, that's what.
Session.
Nothing,
They're enjoying it.
I've started now. Nothing I have done. Hope so.
Something.
Thank you. Thank you.
To take launch.
Yeah. So thank you so much. Like 1,600 stocks are there. Okay. 1,600 stocks are there. Now, superstars, let's again ask you. Are human beings can concentrate all 1,600 stock, right? Why or no? Yes or no? Can we track all 1,600 stock? Not at all. Correct. Not at all. So here comes another story. You have to track how many fingers I have here. 2 hands. Impossible. Yes, correct. How many fingers I have? 2 hands. How many fingers I have here? How many fingers? 10 fingers. So start with. Okay. So how many fingers? I have 10 fingers. So always start with 10 companies. See, your end agenda is to make money. So it's humanly impossible to track all the companies. So initially start with 10. Now, do you want me to tell all 10 stocks? Because I want you people to at least make money by 1 year. 12 months, I want you people to make money. Then only this program will be blockbuster. Otherwise, I don't believe it. Do you want me to tell the 10 stocks to you? And will you track? If you say yes, I will say all the 10 stocks, what all you have to track. And the journey will be there with you and me for 1 year. We can learn across, we can follow up. Do you want? Yes, yes. 10 stocks you want, right? If everybody are messaging, yes. Thank you. To know that how many, again, there are 5 sectors. We will go with 5 sectors, 5 industry. In stock market, these are the 5 stocks sectors which are best. Banking sector, everybody remember, okay? Banking sector, IT sector, automobile sector, pharma sector, FMCG sector. I'll repeat again all the superstars. Banking sector, IT sector, pharma sector, automobile sector, FMCG sector. So out of 5, these are the 5 pillar sectors of Indian economy. Now insurance also you can take, not an issue. These are the 5 sectors. There are so many sectors. Okay, if I want you to teach the sectors, there are infinite sectors. Shall I say, we will do one task now. You people, I don't know where you are. I think it's a lockdown. I think you people will be in your house or in your office or whatever. You just see across your house. You see across your room, your house. Can you see any product? See, I'm seeing like I can see power sector. Can you see all the items what you are in and around? That are the sectors. There are lights there. Can you see the light? For light, we require electronic. So it's a metal sector. Yeah, so many sectors are there. Energy sector, food sector, chemical sector. Yeah, perfect. So 5 sectors which you start is banking, IT, pharma, FMCG, and another sector which I told, automobile. Okay, suggest for 10 to 15 year multi-bagger. Vikas has message. Yeah, definitely we'll do that. Hope so. Okay. So what we will do now is 5 sectors you have understood. The stocks which you need to track initially, I'll tell you. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. Make a note. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Infosys, TCS. Should I go slow? Okay. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Infosys, TCS, Tata Motors, Hero Moto, ITC, Hindustan Unilever, Dr. Reddy, Sun Pharma. Should I repeat again? Should I repeat again? Should I repeat again? Yes, sir. Okay, I will repeat. I will repeat.
sir.
Yeah. 1.
HDFC,
HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, ITC, Infosys, TCS, ITC, Hindustan Unilever, Tata Motors, Hero Motocorp, Dr. Reddy, Sun Pharma. Dr. Reddy, Sun Pharma. These are the 10 stocks you track. Now you will say, sir, what about Cipla? Lakshmi Devi ma'am has message like Cipla. Shilpa Medicare also is there. Okay. You can track how much ever you want. What I'm saying is initially you track these 10 companies. Now it's an independent learning. Don't think what I have said only you should do. You can do much more. Okay. What will be the risk to reward in this stock? I'm not giving recommendation, Samir. Still, I have not given recommendation. I have no recommendation. I'm just told to track the stocks. Okay. Now, the next part is you have understood the stocks. Now, we will go to the next level. How we have to start a systematic investment plan. How we have to make it across. I think, yes, some people, if we unmute, wait a minute, they will be speaking. I don't know. Okay, I think I have muted them. We can't do that. Otherwise, there will be a background noise, too much of that. I agree. I think they should have understood. Okay, anyways, let's go back. Now listen. Now we have got 10 stocks to track. You have got 10 stocks to track. What you have to do? My request to you, if you people like Affle also, yeah, it's good because it's all are doing good. I'm telling you. I think you are in the markets. I think I'm so happy you are in the market. Okay. Before I start, I have unmuted. Now people can speak for 1 minute. I'll again mute everybody. I want everybody to repeat with me.
Sir, Tata Elixir, sir. Sir, Tata Elixir, sir. As compared to TCS.
Yes, that I will say interactive session last 10-15 minutes. Wait a minute. Okay, repeat now. Repeat everybody with me. We'll have a pledge. We'll do pledge. I Sagar US. I will say. You say your name. Then I will unmute everybody. I Sagar US. Repeat everybody. Your name. Your name. I Sagar US.
I am Siddesh.
I Sudha.
Hereby promise.
Hereby promise.
I will
I
invest
promote the Yashwant promise. I will invest
from savings money.
From savings.
Savings money.
From savings money.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I will unmute everybody now. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. So all the superstars, you have made a pledge now. I have made a pledge with you now. I have made a pledge. You have to invest only from savings money. Which money you have to invest in equity market? Savings money. Because this is not a research conversation. Wait a minute. Hold on. Have patience. If you keep on messaging, there is no use of learning to anybody. The greatest learning, because of Vikas sir, I am sending you one message. Patience. Patience is very important. How much patience we have in stock market, that much heights we will go. So repeat everybody. What is important ingredient in stock market? Knowledge or patience? Patience. What is important? Message me. Write P if you don't want to write entire patience as a word. Write as P. What is important in stock market? What is important? Patience or knowledge? Message all the superstars. Thank you. Patience. Vikas sir, you have to message. Even you have to message. I don't know what is he. I think I hope is a sir. Okay. So patience. Yeah, patience. Very good. Patience is very important. So let's have patience. Now come back. Which money you people are going to invest in equity market? Savings money. Now you will ask me, Sagar, I don't have so much savings here. I want to make money. Superstars, why 95% of the people are losing money in stock market is in their family situation, they want money. The family, in their families, they require money. Every family wants money. Because of that pressure, what they think is they'll be identifying one profession. They'll be finding out which profession gets more money. Somebody would have told, his friends, colleagues would have told, hey, stock market, may I buy and sell like a video game? Come, let's buy and sell like a video game and make good money. And people will start investing their livelihood money. That is the first point to disaster. If you have a savings money of 100 rupees, welcome to stock market. A person who does not know the value of 100 rupees don't know the value of 1 crore rupees. I'm telling you, if a person does not know the value of 1 rupee, he does not know the value of 1 lakh rupees. So each rupee counts because it's important. So please, not like that. Don't go to the conclusion like invest with passive income, nothing like that. There is no passive and active. That's all in textbook we have to read. Life is active. Breathe in, breathe out, always active. Till the breathe in and breathe out are there, everything is active. No passive. Simply they say passive income, active income, everything you have to give effort. Without effort, there is no money to be made. Now come back. In stock market, we have to invest with savings money and you should have patience. Now you know 10 stocks to invest around. Which are the 10 stocks I have told? Like that. The investment, what you do is first start doing savings. Don't tell I want to make money, consistent money. First start saving money. So my request to everybody here is, I know it's a pandemic year. I know it's very challenging where our expenses are more than our income, but somehow we pledge that from today, at least by year end, I will start saving hardly how much ever money you want. If you start saving, I think you will become a superstar in stock market. That's my challenge. So I want now, I seriously want you people, most of the people to message me in chat box because you cannot speak because there is too much of background noise. What I request you people is you have to message there. I will start saving money. You people are doing that. I know, but you will start saving money for stock market to invest in stock market. I don't want this webinar to be just listening webinar. I want you to implement. So let me see how many of you will take a pledge. I will start saving money. Yes, thank you. For stock market. Wow. Hey, so much. I'm so happy. If I make 1% here, somebody to be in stock market, I'll be blessed. As Swami Vivekananda Guruji says, teach one, they will teach another 10,000 people. Oh my God. Thank you so much. I request few more people to message, please. I'm seriously, I work with passion in stock market. How much ever, 500 rupees, 200 rupees, 1000 rupees, depending upon your status quo. No problem. Stock market is me versus me. Let other person save 10,000 rupees. That's not least bothered for us. I will start savings money for stock market. Everybody done. Please, I request you and me know India is going to be a good. I know now nobody will believe on India because of the situation we have messed up in last 2-3 months. I know, but every darkness, tomorrow morning, if you wait for 6 hours, sunshine will come. We have to wait. It will happen. Humanity will survive and thrive. Okay. Thank you so much, all the superstars. Now I have made you people to start saving money in stock market for the purpose of stock market. Now you will ask me, sir, you told to start saving, do all the things. Now how to go about? That is your next question. That is your next question. So I'll tell you, superstars. In stock market, there is long-term investment and short-term investment. Now imagine, I saw so many names here, so many people. All are well-versed people. All the faculties across the country have joined in and they have done their doctorates, PhD they have done. So I want some people who have done doctorate to speak with me now. I think Dr. Mohan sir only can speak, or whoever can speak now. I have only one question. To get your doctorate degree, has it taken in a short-term span or it has taken a good long-term span? Somebody can answer me, yes or no? It has taken a long term or a short term? Long term, right? Long term, right? The same way in stock market, when you start your profession, begin with long term. Once you are in long term, once you are making money, then come to the short term. And some people who learn markets, you can start with short term also. You can start with short term also. There is nothing like you have to start only from long term or short term. End of the day, you have to save money. Stock market profession is not a game of making huge wealth. It's a game of capital preservation. Everybody remember this for lifetime. If somebody says, hey, come here, including, see, I'm a stockbroker, okay? You will ask me only, Sagar, if I invest X amount, how much money you can make? Oh, sorry, Kannada also I spoke. If you ask me how much money you can ask, I can say always this game is not about making money. It's game about preservation. It's a capital preservation. If you have money, then only you can make money. This is a beautiful profession where you can make money only from money. If you don't have money, you cannot invest. Though you have knowledge, it's of no use. You should have money. To have money, you have to invest on stocks markets. So there are two types, long-term and short-term. Now come back to the systematic plan. How do you go for a systematic plan? To go with a systematic plan, there are two kinds of analysis. In all your fundamental analysis, they say growth stock, value stocks. We can say a lot more, but I do follow price volume analysis where I trade in stock market, buy or sell with a price volume analysis. It's a mother of all analysis. Okay. So how it goes at first, you have to understand the past pattern of the stocks. What is the future expected on the stock? Now, I will give you a scenario now. You people should message me, text me. Which is the sector which will survive for next 10 years? Message me. Which are the sectors you think which will survive for 10 years? Let's start. IT, some people have message, Samir has message, Santosh, Aisha has message, Pharma, Pramod IT, Deepashri IT, Shushmita FMCG, Santosh Auto, Pooja FMCG, Sudha Banking, Manufacturing. Okay, thank you so much. Right. So let's do one analysis part on how to go about equity investment. First, I'm teaching you all will perform best provided we have a good economy. That's a good answer. Obviously, we'll have good economy. Don't worry. Yes, pessimism is at the peak, but where there is pessimism, there is also optimism. Obviously, insurance also, because I think Vikas sir, you are damn sure. Real estate also will do good. Dr. Sachin, I'm telling you, real estate will be a sector. I'll give you all the clues. I will tell you. I'll give you my contact also. You have to follow me up. You should say, what, Sagar, you gave so much build up that all these stock sectors will go. It will go up. Okay. You will mark my word. Okay. Electrical vehicles, Likit, excellent. The future is electrical vehicle. Okay. But the thing is, we have to get used to it. Let's see how it goes on. Okay. Now, Why not education sector? Education sector will go, but people are not listed in stock market, not much. Education, you know, right? How the education system works. It's with a trust, okay? Please give your contact number. Yes, Ramesh, sir, I will definitely give at the end. Not audible. I think I'm audible now. So Suchita madam is saying like solar. Okay, that's good. Now, listen here. It's audible. Right? Yeah. Thank you. Mute. There is a noise. Yeah. Okay, done. Now I'll give you one beautiful stock. Okay, all the superstars. If you want to invest on equity systematic plan now, do you want me to give some stocks now where you can invest, or should I say blah 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 blah, because we have less time? Do you want to make money? Should I give you some stock where we can keep, because even I am also involved in that stock? Shall we do analysis? But you have to take independent thinking. That's your risk. You have to promise me you will not put your livelihood money. You should not put your livelihood money. Okay, livelihood money you should not put. Okay, now I'll give you my theme for systematic plan. I may be right or I may be wrong. I reserve the right, and I am ready to accept the failure. I'm ready to accept the failure, because stock market is big boss to me. If my analysis is not working, I will change the analysis in a blink of an eye. In a blink of an eye, I change my analysis. That kind of flexibility you should have. Superstars, I'll tell you, the character which is required to for equity systematic investment plan is different. How every day we interact with others, na, that kind of character is not suited for stock market. Please make a sentence in a bold letter. Stock market requires different mindset. Please message me. Stock market requires different mindset. Message me, and you have to develop that. And I want you people to develop that. Stock market requires different mindset. Excellent. That's enough. Different mindset. Santosh, Abraham, wow, very good. Bharati, Vikas, yeah, beautiful. Vijaya, Dr. Vijaya, thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Sorry if I'm calling by name. Don't feel bad. Okay. Okay. Jyotil Lakshmi, stock requires different mindset. Reshma says different mindset. Thank you. The first mindset is you have to change in your analysis in a blink of an eye. Like a blink of an eye, you have to change it. You will say, see, you are in a track, okay, railway track. Opposite, there is a train, okay, it's coming from here, and you're standing in the track. If you see that train, don't be over smart. Don't keep your fear in parking lot. Say you can't stand in front of train. You have to be a bit smart. You have to go to the next track, let the train pass by, then jump into your track, stand there. It doesn't mean that you keep on standing there. You have to change, you have to be flexible, because world is dynamic. Sir, each analysis may not give same result. Yes, each person is different, Swaminathan sir. How can it be same analysis? But we have to have the ground basic level. Whatever may be there, humanity is same. See, who are called humans? When we can help somebody, that is a humanity, right? The same way there are same basic analysis. If you have small analysis, you can make money in market. You don't require huge knowledge. Please, you don't require huge knowledge. You require only street smart knowledge. Street smart. Now with that street smart, I will start you now. Shall we go to the street smart analysis, how to invest in equity in a systematic way? Shall I start? I'm speaking from long time and you people are messaging. I'm so happy. Mohan sir, I will definitely give some medals you give to the participants. Okay, take their, let them come to your college or you courier to them wherever, whichever part they are. I'll give at least 5 medals. Okay, I'll show you 1 minute. I will show you 1 minute. I'll take the medal. Okay, I'll show the medal to you. Which medal I will be giving to you? 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Where is the medal? Okay, I got the medal. I've kept in my drawer. I just took it across. Because of so much you are messaging, this is the medal which I'll be giving to you across. Seriously, I've never seen so many, all the professors, faculties are messaging so much. Okay, I think that's a way, it's a huge thumbs up from my end. Okay, now let's listen here. Sir, very dynamic session is going on. Oh yes, Jayashri madam, thank you. You are dynamic. you are dynamic, so you're seeing dynamic in another person. Simple. Life is so simple. Okay, let's go fast. Okay, now street smart analysis. What is street smart analysis? All the superstars, listen here. The street smart analysis is everybody use mobile. See, I'm going with this middle. What is this mobile? Everybody has a mobile, right? Everybody has a mobile. Now imagine, mobile has become a body part of us. Do you agree with me, superstar? Yes or no? It has become one of the body parts, like a brain, eyes. Yes or no? How many of you say yes? Let's be very honest. Yes, right? It's no brainer. It's a common sense. It has become one of the body parts. Yes. Now listen here, superstars. My mobile has, sorry to say, I have two SIMs. I have Airtel and I have Jio. Now tell me, there are 147 participants here. 147 participants here. Now I request, which is your SIM provider? If it is Airtel, message A. Reliance R. Vodafone V. Start. Oh, okay, Bhavani madam, sorry, BSNL also is there. Yeah, BSNL gone. That's the case of government. Whenever things are handled by government, we have to see uptrend. So majority of them are messaging Vodafone. Sorry, majority are messaging Airtel and Jio. Correct. Yes. Jio, Airtel. Wow, so many people are messaging Airtel and Jio. My simple question to you. Now, use your brain, superstars. Use your brain to enter to this service provider, that is Airtel and Bharti Airtel. It is a monopoly. Now it has become like a monopoly. 10 years back, too much of competition, too many competition. I think you will remember there was Tata Docomo, there was so many, Uninor, there were so many people. Yes or no? You agree with me? So many service providers were there. Today, it has become too dual. Only two people are controlling the market. Bharti Airtel and Reliance Jio. Sorry about Vodafone. It's gone behind. BSNL, you forget it. Okay, so there are two people are there in the market now, Airtel and Jio. Disclaimer, I am not giving the stock name, I'm giving you the clue. You think, become an independent thinker. But I am giving you two people, you forget it. Vodafone and BSNL, you forget it. They're way ahead. Always invest on good company. Always invest on strong companies. Okay, if somebody is going for a Olympic race, will you put your money who can win, or will you put on who is unable to win? You'll put your money on people who can win, right? Who can win. The same way, there are two stocks now. I didn't say anything. I've given you the clue. I've given the clue. See for clue in stock market. You should have the curiosity to understand. Now I will show you what is the price of Airtel. The share price of Airtel is 532. All the superstars, you have to message the concerned college team, or you can also contact me. It's 532. Let's both of us meet after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Let's see what will the price of Airtel. Done and dusted. I'm telling that business will not go off. It will stay for another X number of years. Make your assumption. Be in touch. You tell me. That's a challenge I'm ready to take. Okay, done with Airtel and Reliance. Now come back. Let's go back to another one. FMCG. Everybody goes. We go to DMart. We go to Big Bazaar. We go to Reliance Fresh, ITC and Hindustan Unilever. Okay. Now forget about Hindustan Unilever. I will give you one of the biggest clue for equity systematic plan. ITC is trading at 216 rupees. Can you see here? What is the price it is trading? 216 rupees. Can somebody message what is the price of ITC? 216 rupees. That's all you require. How much money you require? 216 rupees you require to buy one stock. Tomorrow they have a result. Superstars, use your brain. Don't use for short-term thinking, use for long-term thinking. Now, in last 2 months, there is a lockdown. Do you agree with me? There is a lockdown. Do you think ITC in lockdown would have done good business or a bad business? Their business would have come down. Agree? Common sense. Because of lockdown, their businesses, yeah, it is good, but somehow it is not up to the mark. The last quarter will be not up to the mark. Okay. Mark my word. Do your independent analysis on ITC. They are going to come with a management. They are going to divide their businesses, the hotel business, the textile business. Message me after a couple of years. What will be the ITC? Okay. ITC is one of the good, strong company in India. So what am I teaching you indirectly is first understand the sector, then go to the company. First understand the sector, because I have limited time. I can't teach you all the the techniques. I can give you the clue where you can make money. My only intention of this program is not to make you intelligent. My job is to make you to get at least some money out of this program. If I don't make you intelligent, no problem. If you say to the college people who have taken initiative to conduct this, sir, in program in the at least we made some money. 10 rupees if you make, good, because if you know the value of 1 rupee. If you make 1 lakh, it's good. It's up to you how you use it. ITC, Bharti Airtel, think how the things are working. Now, come back to the insurance sector. Somebody had messaged, insurance sector is less penetrated in India. Still, we are in very, very less penetrated. Think about in insurance sector. See, always think how to go about equity investment is, if you are street smart, you have to just see across your house. You have to see across your area, which are the products which are trending. And the next question you have to think is, next 10 years, will this business will sustain? Will this business will sustain? Superstars, now listen here. Asian Paints, do your house and my house, do we have a paint? We go for paint upgradation, right? Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? We go for a paint upgradation, yes or no? Yes or no? Paint, yes or no? Hey, thank you so much. You people are messaging so much. I thank your fingers, okay? Thank you, are doing good job. Thank you, thank you. So many people are thinking, why? Yes, why paint? Superstars, Indian economy next, they are going to put huge money on infrastructure. After this pandemic, mark my word, it will be on too much on infrastructure. Go back to the Spanish flu. It was in 1920. Whenever there is a huge pandemic, apart from corona, you cannot get any more disaster to humanity. Do you agree with me? There was a self goal. We had it, India had it with demonetization and GST. Self goal we had it. Now, that was this is another goal, pandemic, which was not in our control. But they say man-made. Yeah, obviously because of climate change. That's a different topic. We'll speak some other day for some other, we'll keep the topic. But whenever there is a huge pandemic, that is the time where, 1 minute, what happened? Yeah, that is the time you have to think across. Government of India is planning huge investment on infrastructure. When they keep it on infrastructure, when there are many participants, 5 medals won't be sufficient. Oh, Reshma madam has messaged, there are many participants, 5 medals won't be sufficient. Reshma madam, okay. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says, instead of asking what can I get, you say what can I give. So what I will do is I'll give 10 medals. Sorry, don't feel bad, okay? So as of now, I can't go and I'll give an order. As of now, I have around 20 medals. 10 medals I'll give. Another 10 medals I require, okay, for for other purposes, okay. But anyways, Reshma madam, one thing is sure, you will get 1 medal. Always we have to ask something. When we ask only, we get. When we ask, we get. The rule 1 in life is ask for help. Rule 2 is help yourself. Rule 3 is there are no more rules. Thank you, Reshma madam. Thanks for asking. You get 1 medal. Okay, done. What am I saying is, what is that? What was I saying? I forgot. Martho Viteri. What was I saying? paint sector. Crying baby gets the milk. Yeah, obviously. Yeah. So what I want to say is paint sector. Infrastructure is going for it. Infrastructure will go for a toss. There will be huge demand for painting sectors. Okay, I need a medal, ask and get. Dhanlakshmi ma'am says, okay, thank you. So that's one. This is how you think. Okay. Now, next, go to the pharma sector. With this pandemic, pharma sector is going to go boost. But remember this, remember, buy Pani Puri at 50 rupees, not at 500 rupees. I'll tell again, don't buy Pani Puri at 500 rupees, buy at 50 rupees. Means you have to buy at the right price. Don't go and buy. Somebody is told, I will go and buy, and don't go and buy. Because how can you become independent thinker if you listen to somebody else? Even with me, you cannot. Okay. Yeah, Dr. Vikas sir, DV's lab is my favorite. DV's lab is my favorite. Last 15 minutes, we'll talk only on stocks. Okay. So I think so many people are there. So many people, energetic people want to ask. Ayurvedic pharma sector, I don't know, not much. Patanjali, don't want to speak on Patanjali. A lot of controversy for last 1 week. Okay. Chemical industries will do good. Yeah. So systematic investment plan. That is how we have to keep doing it. And sorry to say, I have to say, one stock will do good. United Spirits, McDowell. That will do good. Now don't ask me why and how. You only know the answer. Yes or no? The demand will come down or it will go up. You only tell me, all the superstars. United Spirits, will it go? The demand will be up or it will be down. You only tell me. Use your brain and say. Samir says he's sent like a smiley one. Yeah. United Spirits. Okay. You do the calculation. Okay. United Spirits. This is how you keep doing it. This is how you work with equity systematic investment plan. You don't require too much of knowledge. Too much of analysis is a disaster. Keep life simple. See, I'll tell you the mantra. Start saving money. Put small money. Don't be in a rush. Don't be in a rush to buy the stock. Have patience. Whenever stock falls, accumulate the stocks. And whenever the stock is not going according to you, get out of stock market. Come back again. When stock is not going in favor of you, get out. That's all. Don't do averaging. The biggest thing is some people will buy at 100. They will say if it comes to 90, I will buy again. Please don't do that. My one request to all the superstars who are already here, I'm telling you, if you bought one stock at 100, do not buy at 90. If the stock you have bought at 100, it has to go from there. If it is not going up, it's telling to me, market is telling to me, boss, your analysis is wrong, get out. And I respect market. I will get out. No second thoughts. Ego, we have to park it in parking lot. I will ask question, you have to answer me now. Because you are not speaking, you have to message. You bought at 100 rupees. Imagine. Imagination is far, far stronger than intelligence. Albert Einstein says. You bought at 100 rupees. The share price has come to 90. Will you buy again? Say yes or no. I have taught you now. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Make it, write it down in a bold letter. Write it down in a bold letter. Bold letter. I will never average. I will never average. You have to write it down. Never. Never. There are only 4 things, superstars. Big profit, small profit. Big loss, small loss. I'll repeat. Big profit, small profit. Big loss, small loss. Select 2 things, big profit and small loss. You say, I don't want loss, can I make money? Please do not enter stock market. If you say, I don't want loss, take small loss. Take small loss. Loss is inevitable. You cannot escape loss. You can manage the loss. You can manage the loss. To manage the loss, you have to have common sense investing. That is, whenever you get money, don't invest every month. Somebody will say, SIP, buy every month. Don't do that. If you are directly investing in equity market, if you are investing through mutual fund, SIP is okay. You are bound to invest. But if you are directly having an account, what I request is, whenever you get money, you see the market, you keep on investing. Don't get tempted with what other person are telling. In this old universe, I'll give you another secret.
Sagar
You-
sir.
Yes,
Sagar
madam.
sir,
Yes,
sorry
madam.
to interrupt. We have
Yeah.
another 5 minutes to go.
Yeah.
And after that, we'll have 10 minutes for question answer session.
Yes, madam. Lilavati, madam. Sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So what I was saying is, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? I forgot. What was I saying? Okay, I was saying take small loss. Okay. So always take small loss. Secret, Arsha, thank you. The secret is, if somebody says, I will help you to make money, you tell to them, secretly you tell to them, please, you make money yourself. The beauty of stock market is you can make money by yourself. Give only small amount of time. How much time? 5 minutes time per day. And once this pandemic it gets over, not now, once the pandemic gets over, please roam across the city. See which all companies where parking lots are full, what are people buying, what are the trending in the society. Just understand, just interact with people, figure out the products and check whether in that company stocks are there. Just keep buying it. This is the small thing, because I have a very small time, so I can't go on because if you give me the opportunity, I'll be speaking non-stop. I should not speak crap. That is very important. You have to, if you speak also, you have to speak sense, right? So I can summarize what I have done so that it will be helpful for you. One, always think the sectors which will be there for next 10 years. Search the companies which has a low debt, where it will survive for next 5 to 10 years. Always invest from savings money. Never buy at lesser price. Once you have bought, don't average it. Okay. And you should have patience. IQ is of no use in stock market, in systematic investment plan. EQ is important. EQ is emotions. You can't control me, I can't control you. So we should have patience. Patience is the mother of all analysis in market and in life. So if you have this with limited time, as they only told, like they have 5 minutes left. So I don't want to put lot of information to you. There should be 1 or 2 ideas in one webinar. If you get 2 to 3 ideas, that's sufficient. Otherwise, it will become a crap. Okay. So I'll open the session for everybody to ask the question. I will make sure what little I know, I will answer. If I don't know, I have told you my 3 beautiful words are, I don't know. I will say I don't know. Okay. Thank you. You can contact me also. I'll share my mobile number. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, sir, shall I take over?
Please, madam, please.
Thank you for your wonderful, sir, Sagar ji. Thanks
Sagar, you call me, madam.
Thanks for enlightening our knowledge on equity investments, the systematic way that we have to approach towards the investment. And you also have oriented about the market analysis and the sector-wise analysis also you have done. Thank you so much. And I just have to say your presentation, your entire session was too much of energetic session. And thanks for the abundance of energy that you have got.
Thank you, ma'am.
And thanks for making continuous interactions among our all participants. And I also have to mention that I just give a rough figure. We have more than 300 chats in our chat box.
Okay.
It's just a rough figure. And you made all our participants the multitask agents. They were they had given a lot of work to their fingers. I think so. And thank you so much. Overall, it was a very wonderful presentation. And I think there is a lot more to learn about the equity markets. And what I can say, the financial markets or the financial investment is very systematic. We have to follow a systematic approach, unless otherwise, and that too in the pandemic situation, learning these things are very much important. Hope all our participants have got very good information from our resource person of today, Dr. Sagar US. Sir, the best part was the medals. Can I also expect a medal from you?
Oh, you 100%, madam. Sure. Anyway, I'll give to you. You can.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Sure.
And now it is open for the question and answer sessions. Participants can write your questions in the chat box, because if we unmute them, no, sir, we will get a lot of noise background. So what I'll do, I'll read the questions to you. Let them write the questions in the chat box. Now I'm into the chat box. Yes, Swaminath is about to ask one question. Kindly, sir, contact details, please share it. And I will give you the contact details of Samir US in the WhatsApp group. And also the YouTube link and everything will be given in the WhatsApp group. Questions you can type in the chat box, dear participants.
Or else we can unmute, madam. Let them speak. I think they are like last few minutes, right?
If we get any background noise, we will immediately
mute. Yeah, we can do.
Okay.
We can.
Over to Guru Prasad, sir. Please unmute the participants. Guru Prasad, sir.
Sagar sir.
Yes, sir. Who is that, sir?
Dr. Ramesh from Asan, sir.
Oh, Ramesh, sir. Namaste. I hope you are doing good. Please, sir. Question, sir.
Sir, classical, marvelous, amazing class. This is the first time I attended the program like this, and thank you so much, sir.
You have to thank the organizer, sir. My job is nothing.
Even them also, sir. How long it take me to learn from zero level, sir?
Sir, it all is belief, sir. You can learn in markets if you give at least 5 minutes per day for next 6 to 9 months or 1 year.
Yeah.
You will be in a different league in stock market, sir. That's my challenge. You will give me recommendation what to buy and sell. That's my challenge.
Super.
But I have one condition. After learning for 1 year, you should not give up this profession. You have to hold this profession till the last day.
Yes, sir.
Swaminath, sir, you can ask a question. You have.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sagar, sir.
Sir. Yeah, namaste, sir. Namaste.
Namaste, sir. Sir, you told just with the street information, you can be in a position to invest on stocks. But my point of view here is, unless and until you know the basics of stocks, unless and until you have a grip on the basics, so will you just jump like that to stock market based on the street information? And second thing, when it comes to stock market, you told like just spend 5 minutes of time. But as I'm an investor too, in case of stock market, so if you just spend 5 minutes of time, I mean, that doesn't work as per my opinion, because you must have to, hold the grip of market for a longer period of time. Then only you can be in a position to decide stocks. So am I right? Please guide me on this.
Yeah, definitely, sir. Definitely. Sir, what I can say in market is like less is more. Less is more. What is less is more? Too much of analysis. Why people are making loss in market is they think if I work hard, if I work 10 hours, I will get 10,000 rupees per month, 10,000 rupees per day. No, sir. I will tell you, the best part in stock market is it's a boring profession. I'll repeat again. Stock market is a boring profession. You need not do analysis every day. Market will not change every day. The company structure will not change every day. It takes some time to change. And what I said, like street information is, I think there is some noise. I think you mute everybody now.
Hello.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Guru Prasad, sir, please mute
Hello?
the audience.
1 minute. I'll answer that and then we will ask question. Okay. Listen here. Swaminathan sir, what you said also is perfect. But what I'm saying here is street information means you should be aware of market street smart. What's happening across your society. That is one. And I told 5 minutes in the way. Why I'm not saying too much of information is bad is simple, sir. We do only 3 things. As Gautama Buddha says, sun, moon, and truth cannot be hidden. Only 3 things you do in stock market. What is that? Which company to buy, which price to buy, how much to buy, which company, which price, how much to buy. If you know how much to buy and which company, the price is the one which you need to look in. Whenever the price comes to your level, you buy. Otherwise, it's of no use buying it. I feel, sir, I don't know, because it's a stock market is like, it's a subjective. Each person can have their own perspective. At least this is doing good for me, sir. To be very honest, what's good for me, I'm doing it. I don't know about others. If somebody spends so much of time and they're still making good money, good luck for them. But for me, what I feel is small time, be smart, not over smart, I think you can crack the profession. That's my challenge.
Thank you, Swaminath sir and Sagar sir as well. There's one more question, sir. It is continuously repeating. It's from Dr. J. Shivaraman, sir. Yes, I'm a chemist and I'm new to it. What is the risk if we have chance to lose invested money?
If you have too much of risk to lose money, don't come to stock market. First answer. Second answer is you have to come only. Sorry if I'm being rude and crude. What I'm saying is it's simple. See, stock market will not call us to come and invest. We are going to stock market and we are saying we are ready to take some part of risk. If I'm not ready to take that some part of money, please be open and be happy and say, I am not into stock market. There are 1,000 professions available where we can learn and make money. Don't end of the day, you have to sleep well at night. If your sleep is getting disturbed because you are losing money, don't be in that profession. That's the answer.
So there are two interesting questions from Likithian.
Yeah.
Is it right time to invest when the market is down? What about the crypto in India?
Okay, crypto, I don't want to speak on
Yes.
crypto because it's not regulated, but we do trade in crypto with my clients in US clients, because there you can work it on the United States. But in Indian terminology, I don't want to say because I'm not authorized, so I don't want to. Is it the right time to invest when market is down? Likit, when you have to understand, it's a reverse engineering question. Please understand, when the stock has gone up and it is coming down now, when it is coming down, it is telling to me something is bad. Example, Likit, I hope you know cricket. Virat Kohli is batting at 70 runs. He got injured now. He got a deadly injured, like he got a bouncer, he got injured. Now tell me, when he is injured, will you bet on Virat Kohli at the 70? No, you will not bet down. So what I'm saying is, when the stock is coming down, there is a reason that something is wrong in the stock. When something is wrong on the stock, please don't invest on that stock. Always invest on a strong stock, not on a weak stock. To understand the stock, you have to be in the market. I think there is some noise. Okay, I think I only unmuted now. Okay, next question, madam. Next question.
I think we are done with the questions.
Likit, I hope you got it. You have to invest on a
yes.
strong stock, not on a weak stock. And there are so many techniques to work on the market. In 1 hour, I can't teach everything. If you want, you can contact me. I think my mobile number I can share with you if you people want. I think some people had messaged me.
So what we have done is we have created a WhatsApp group.
Okay.
I can use through the WhatsApp group. I can share your contact details.
Oh, that will be better, madam. That will be better. That will be better. Any next question, madam?
The same thing has been drafted here. No, that's all with the questions. I think we can wind the session.
Sir, I have one question for you.
Please ask.
Ravindra,
How about this indexed funds and ETFs, sir, in stock market?
Yes, sir. It's good when you want very less income and you want less risk, you can go for index. But what I suggest, sir, index funding is good. We can start investing in that. But when you are having so much opportunities where the stocks are going up in next 1 decade, it's better you rather going for all your money. If imagine you have 10,000 rupees, put at least only 10% of your money in index funds, ETF, and 90% you put it on directly on equity, sir. Because equity market is going for a boom, but don't buy pani puri at 500 rupees, only 50 rupees. That's the one logic you have to keep aware of it. Buy at the right price. To buy at the right price, you have to be in the market every day.
Okay, so we are lagging with the time. Probably we can end this session. I request Guru Prasad, our host, to mute all the participants, please.
Okay, madam.
Yeah. So that's really so nice of you. We had really a wonderful session.
Yes, madam.
So much of interactions, I can say, and energetic too. It's now time to word of thanks on a formal note. But before that, I have few instructions, my dear participants. I have shared 2 links continuously in the chat box. One is to join the WhatsApp group, and the other one is to give your feedbacks. Please don't miss both the links.
Oh, 1 minute. Something went.
So far, am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible, madam.
Yes. I have continuously shared 2 links in the chat box. One is WhatsApp to join the WhatsApp group. The other one is to this thing feedback link. Please use both the links and give your valuable feedbacks and then join the WhatsApp group. So for 80 plus have been joined. I need to get some more registrations for WhatsApp group because to have a continuous correspondence for certificates and all other things. That's all from my end. I now request Dr. Mohan Kumar KY, Associate Professor, Department of Commerce, to render a vote of thanks on a formal note. Over to Mohan, sir.
Mohan sir.
Mohan Kumar
Mohan
KY.
sir. Sir Mohan sir.
Shall I proceed, sir?
1 second, madam. 1 second. Mohan sir, unmute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಯ್ತು.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. You're audible, sir. Continue.
Good afternoon to one and all present here in this webinar. It is
Good
my
afternoon, sir.
pride, privilege, and honor to propose vote of thanks on the second day, 5-day national level faculty development program on the systematic investment plan, opportunities and challenges. On the topic, equity systematic investment post-COVID-19. Online trading was a virtual experience by Mr. Sagar US. Mr. Sagar US, sir, I take this opportunity to thank you on behalf of all of us who are present in this webinar. Thank you very much for your wonderful, amazing session and a very dynamic and a challenging session. Thank you, Sagar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mohan sir. One day you give me opportunity, live market, I will trade intraday.
Yeah, we'll do about it in the next.
You think about it.
Yeah. I thank our beloved principal, Dr. B. Chandrasekhara, for his continuous support in organizing this faculty development program. I also thank our head of the Department of Commerce and the convener of this FDP, Professor Geeta Madam, the head of the Department of Management, Professor Manjula, the PG coordinator of MCOM, Dr. Sucheta Hosamane, PG coordinator of MBA, Professor Kishore, and our technical assistance given by Professor Guru Prasad and Professor Leelavati and Professor Rupa D, and all other members of the commerce and the management, and the entire teaching and the non-teaching staff of the Government First Grade College, Vijayanagara, Bangalore. And most important is that our delegates. Our delegate has hailed from all over India, and these faculty friends from all over India. Thank you very much for making this faculty development program a very grand successful. Once again, I thank one and all. Jai Hind.
Thank you. Yes, yes, sir. Thank you, Mohan sir.
Welcome,
Thanks
madam.
for yes. Thanks to you too for beautifully coordinating today's session. And
Welcome,
for
madam.
the informations of our delegates, tomorrow is day 3, that is 1st June 2021. And we are going to deal with the topic on systematic investment plans, a steady way to build wealth. The coordinators for the program are Professor Lata Bhivi and Professor Guru Prasad MA. And I request all our delegates to join as usual at 10:30 a.m. That's all is for today. Now, with thanks from our college, Government First Grade College, Vijayanagar, Bangalore. Thanks to special thanks to our resource person Sagar US and to all our delegates. Please follow the feedback link and the link to join WhatsApp group as well.
Okay.
Shall we
Thank you,
end
sir.
the meeting?
Yes, madam.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you to all. Wish you infinite good luck. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, Sagar sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, madam. Can I
Guru
wind up?
Prasad,
Yeah, okay,
just
madam.
just a moment. Once again, I'll just share the feedback link. A few people are asking. Just be on the line. I just share the feedback link. It's already there in the box, but still I'll share it once again. while filling the feedback forms, write your names and institution name in the capital letters. It will be easy for us to proceed towards these certificates. Here is the feedback link. You can use it. Okay, that's all is from my end, sir. Guru Prasad, sir, you can probably end the meeting. Thank you, one and all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, Ronaldo.